So Samsung is going to conduct their unpacked event on this 22nd July. In this event, they are going to announce the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. In this video, we are going to discuss this mobile. This comes with the true displays. The bigger one is going to be a 6.9 inches of dynamic AMOLED LTPO 2X display, which supports 120Hz refresh rate, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass. And when we talk about the smaller display, when it is flipped, it will come with a 4.1 inches of cute tiny super AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate display. We all know that. Then when we talk about this mobile's processor, this mobile is going to come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, a slightly overclocked version than the regular 8 Elite, and it is going to be in two different variants, 8GB, 12GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. These are going to be LPDDR5 RAM types and UFS 4.0 storage capacity, so we can expect a good performance from this mobile as well. When we talk about the cameras, this mobile is going to come with the dual cameras like all the previous flip mobiles, a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 12 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera with optical image stabilization. For the front, when it is unfolded, this mobile is a 6.9 incher display. So at that moment, this mobile will have a 10 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Okay, and when we talk about this mobile's battery, to power this differently designed mobile, we need a battery. Obviously, this mobile is going to come with the 4300 milliamps of battery, which is a decent for this kind of mobile. And this mobile is going to support 25 watts of fast charge, normal charge through wire, and 15 watts of wireless, 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charge. I don't know who's going to use the mobile to wireless charge other things. And this mobile is going to be a complete metal frame, and the hinge, which we call as a crease when we flip this mobile, that is also going to decrease compared to the previous generations. And this, when we talk about this mobile's operating system and stuff, this mobile is going to run on Android version 16 with the box with One UI 8.5. Probably we'll see in a couple of months One UI 9 also. When we talk about this mobile's features, like this mobile comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner rather than the in-display fingerprint one, and this mobile is also going to comes with the weight of this mobile. When we talk about the weight of this mobile, it is a 188 grams, which is slightly lighter than a lot of mobiles which are releasing these days, even when you compare to the S26 Ultra, which was released recently. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, like this mobile doesn't come with any 3.5mm jack. This mobile has a stereo speakers, and this mobile is going to come with Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 7 tri-band fast support and NFC and stuff. This mobile is also going to support the IP54, which is a kind of water and dust resistance. So these are the basic features of this mobile. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile does not come with any case or something. This mobile comes with just Type-C to Type-C cable and quick start gates and stuff, and SIM ejector tool. That's all in the box of the mobile. When we talk about the colors, the news till now says that this mobile will be available in like 4 or 5 colors. So we have to wait and see until the mobile releases how many colors they were going to release this mobile in. And obviously this mobile price, we need to know the price of this mobile. Okay, so this mobile is going to come with a price tag of like 1,19,999, almost 1,20,000 rupees for the base variant. That is a 12GB RAM 256 one. So and it can go all the way up to 1,30,000 rupees based on the variant. So that's all for the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel.